everybody. I'm XX Blackwood. Sorry. I'm eating a quality street. I shouldn't have done that. Okay. This is my first ever video on YouTube. So, I hope you like my videos. Anyway, I'm XX Blackwood. Now you may notice, my name's not XX Blackwood. It's Lily87702. Now, you're probably wondering why. That's because I made Lily a long time ago. I have. So, yeah, I made her a long time ago. So, I'm going to tell you what happens when I lost 20 minutes of my footage. Yeah, 20 minutes. I didn't have the sound on. So you saw it with me like, yeah, just moving my mouse and just moving my character. So, anyway. This is my final try. I've done tons more videos before this. So, anyway. As I said, I'm going to tell you why I lost my footage. I told you this. Sound was wrong. So, it's Christmas Day today, and yesterday it was Christmas Eve. And today I rushed down and got all my toys from under the tree, and I brought them back up here. No, sorry, I brought them. Santa left me 25 diamond codes for Animal Jam. So, I ran down to my computer and I entered the code and I got 25 diamonds. And then, I bought my lovely Arctic Fox. Or, sorry, wolf. Anyway, so I bought my lovely Arctic Fox. Wolf. Arctic wolf. I bought my lovely Arctic wolf. And I bought the collar and the wristband. So, I have 10 left. Now, I'm very hard to make decisions. So, I'm gonna leave it up to anybody who watches my video to leave in the comments below. Do you think I should choose an Arctic Fox? Do you think I should choose a Lynx? Or my precious lion? Don't worry, they're not all gonna stay like this. They're gonna go all pretty nice like me, okay? So, look at her. Anyway, so yes, that's what I'm going to be doing. Now, I'm doing this low because, well, anyway, I'm not going to tell you because you don't want to you don't have to know what my secrets are. So, this is my first ever video. So, if this is not lively and woo, wee, wee, oh, look at this, woo, 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 woo. Sorry, voice crack. So, if this is pause, still running, yeah, because this is my first ever video, and you've probably watched professionals do it over and over and over again, and like, yes, this is me, blah 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 blah. So anyway, I kind of don't know how to do any editing, so these are just videos done over and over and over and over and over and over again until I get the right video. So I'm not going to be just like, oh my god, I can edit this out, I can edit this out. I'm bad at that. So this is just going to be from the heart, from the day that this was made. So, yes, you named it. I am just going to be briefing you on what's happening on every single day that I record of my videos. Now, what I'm going to be doing is first, I'm going to be introducing everybody. Hello, everybody, and welcome to an XX Blackwood video. Now, I'm going to be first doing this, and I'm going to be you. I choose my Pilgrim Sunny Bunny to be my animal for the day, and this animal for the day is going to stay with me, and I can change her color and whatever. And then after I choose my person, I'm going to be going through your people, and I'm gonna your jamograms, and I'm just gonna do 10 people, and I'm gonna pick them. Pardon me, sorry, I burped. And then I'm just gonna be clicking you. So just say Anastasia Tree Anna. So she's going to be. Say she gives me a gift. I click her. She's one. Snowdrop is another, and then 10 people are gonna send me animal jams, or I reply to them. So that's gonna happen, and then I'm just going to base my video on what happened the day after. So what I'm going to be doing is you're just going to be following me, trying to get the best, the best stuff that that's in the game, really. Now, say if your den is unlocked and you have a Christmas den. Why? Anyway, you don't have to be lonely. Oh my god, she did the thingy! You know, you have this glitch where you fill up your whole animal thing here, and it says, please get rid of one of your animals. And then you get rid of your wolf, and then you go here, and whoever's whichever a member one, I can say, because I have to, these have to be open. I can just be I want to be an Arctic wolf. I want to be an Arctic wolf. So you do this next, you buy it, and then you're an Arctic wolf as a member. Oh my god! So yeah, that's what happens. So she's done that one. Oh cool. That never works for me. So anyway, yes, I'm just going to be briefing you. I'm going to only do this to 10. So if you're expecting a 20-minute long video, sorry. And this all might be sometimes I'm just bored to what to do, so I'll just make up something with my friends, something like that. Or I might just do a whole I just might go along my day. Oh my god, somebody scanned me! No! Make the whole video about that. And so I might get emotional. I might scream, I might shout, I might be anyway. So yes, this is just a briefing. You hear my voice, you hear my sound, how quirky I am, all that stuff, just to fill you in on what's happening. So now I'm just going to get to gameplay, because you've got a minute, so I'm going to just do gameplay for this 1 minute. So I'm going to, because I'm so desperate to get I'm so desperate to get a spike, so I'm going to ask people, I'm going to say, my list for a spike color. Deal my den. So my list for a spike color if steal my den. My list for a spike color if steal my den. My list for a spike color if steal my den. So yes, everybody's just gonna come down to my beautiful den. Sorry. And so I'm just going to be asking people if they could be generous enough to me. Oh, vid. So, yes. Oh, we've run out of time. So, if she replies, that's good. If she doesn't, it's even better. So, anyway. I'll be nice to ya. So, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed me just showing you around people. Like, I'm showing you around stuff. And Panda needs help. Anyway, I'm going to, it's like, Panda needs help, please, 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 please. Panda needs the help. Anyway, yes, this is my last, no, what? Last? No. Sorry. I'm going to end my video every day, sliding down the waterfall, sliding down the waterfall. Yeah, I'm gonna just do that. No. I'm so sorry, I don't want to give that away.